Hey guys, it's been a while since we told you about SAP Intelligent Enterprise. Since then we have received many inquiries and comments on this topic. What people were most interested in was the architecture behind the Intelligent Enterprise. It's an exciting thing. That's why we made this video for you today. As you all may know, SAP Intelligent Enterprise is more than SAP S/4HANA. This is where familiar business processes meets new technology. SAP's own, like SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Concur or SAP Ariba, and components or solutions from partners. Everything is integrated with SAP Cloud Platform. The data is hosted directly at SAP or at AWS, Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure. But how does this look in detail? Essentially, SAP Intelligent Enterprise consists of three blocks: Intelligent Suite, Digital Platform and Intelligent Technologies. The Intelligent Suite includes the digital core and delivers the intelligent applications for each line of business. It's easy to expand. It offers customers and partners the opportunity to quickly develop solutions. It's modular, which enables cost-efficient development. The integration is out of the box, leveraging SAP Cloud Platform, the Analytics Cloud solution, and a common data foundation with SAP HANA and SAP Data Hub. The digital platform consists of the components Data Management and Cloud Platform. Data management is responsible for data warehousing and the harmonization of data from various sources. The cloud platform is used to develop apps and to build extensions. In addition, all other components, such as SAP Ariba or partner solutions, are integrated via cloud platform. For example, the numerous APIs can be accessed via the SAP API Hub. To put it in a nutshell, SAP Leonardo
everywhere.
The toolbox of intelligent technologies supports the processes with Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, blockchain, big data and analytics. The intelligent technologies are linked to the processes via SAP Cloud Platform. Now let's talk about business processes. There are currently 4 end-to-end processes: Lead to Cash, Total Workforce Management, Design to Operate and Source to Pay. But let's have a closer look to Lead to Cash. The process ranges from the identification of a contact to invoicing. 4 different SAP solutions are integrated in this process Lead to Cash. It is SAP C/4HANA for customer management, SAP S/4HANA as ERP core, SAP Leonardo and SAP Analytics Cloud. All solutions are linked via SAP Cloud Platform. This takes us to the next point: unified integration. Whether you want to connect an on-premise solution with a cloud solution or access other data with cloud solution, everything is connected via SAP Cloud Platform integration. Are you looking for an interface to this ecosystem? Then you can search for it via api.sap.com, and prepackaged integration content is ready for you that is already connected to the SAP Cloud Platform integration. For the user, the individual solutions from which his screen is composed should not be distinguishable, but everything should be displayed consistently and uniformly. The most important information from all applications is displayed on a screen via widgets. Artificial intelligence is always there with up-to-minute information. With the help of SAP Leonardo technologies, which means machine learning, IoT, big data or blockchain, the processes of the Intelligent Enterprise can be improved automatically. Scenarios are available for this purpose, which can be further optimized by feedback mechanisms. For example, IoT and big data support the decision whether a machine should be maintained. This is the so-called predictive maintenance. SAP Analytics Cloud supports decision makers with the digital boardroom. This allows to make company data available in real time as a dashboard for the entire company. Okay folks, today we are a little deeper into the architecture of the intelligent enterprise. I hope you found some helpful information. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments to this video. And we would be happy to receive a like from you. Stay tuned. Bye.